Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Luna.
And I'm Ryan. Today, we will help you learn 160 natural English sentences for everyday talk.
These sentences are simple, natural, and used in real life.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. Just speak and practice every day.
Let's begin with simple greetings. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Now let's make it more natural.
Hi, Ryan. How's your day going?
It's going well. How about yours?
Pretty good. I'm feeling great today.
That's nice to hear.
Now repeat after us. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
It's going well.
It's going well.
I'm feeling great.
I'm feeling great.
Excellent.
Now let's move to common daily questions.
What are you doing right now?
I am talking with you.
Where are you right now?
I am at home.
What time is it?
It is 9 p.m.
What are you doing later?
I am meeting a friend.
These questions are very useful in daily life.
Now repeat after us.
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
Where are you right now?
Where are you right now?
What are you doing later?
What are you doing later?
Perfect.
Now let's move to daily routine sentences.
I wake up early.
I get out of bed.
I stretch my body.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I drink tea or coffee.
I leave my house.
I go to work.
Now let's make a real conversation.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do first?
I get out of bed and stretch my body.
Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that?
I take a shower and get dressed.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
And then?
I leave my house and go to work.
That's a complete routine.
Yes, very natural and easy.
Now let's understand the vocabulary. Stretch means to move your body to feel relaxed.
Wash means to clean with water.
Get dressed means to wear clothes.
Leave means to go out.
Routine means daily activities.
Now Q&A practice.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Where do you go after breakfast?
I go to work.
Very good.
Now shadowing practice. Speak clearly and confidently.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Excellent work.
Now let's add more natural daily sentences.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
I feel fresh after a shower.
I check my phone.
I look at notifications.
I read messages.
I reply quickly.
I open my laptop.
I start my work.
Let's use them in conversation. What do you do after you wake up?
I check my phone and look at notifications.
Do you read messages?
Yes, I read messages and reply quickly.
When do you start your work?
I start my work at 9 a.m.
That's great.
Now vocabulary time.
Notification means a new alert on your phone.
Reply means to answer someone.
Laptop means a portable computer.
Start means to begin.
Now Q&A practice. Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, I check my phone.
Do you read messages?
Yes, I read messages.
Do you reply quickly?
Yes, I reply quickly.
Excellent.
Now shadowing again.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I read messages.
I read messages.
I reply quickly.
I reply quickly.
I start my work.
I start my work.
Amazing progress.
Now let's build strong confidence.
I can speak English clearly.
I can speak English clearly.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
I enjoy learning English.
I enjoy learning English.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing daily.
In the next part, we will learn more real-life speaking situations. Welcome back. You are doing really well.
Yes, your English is improving step by step. Keep going.
Now we will practice more real-life daily conversations.
These are the sentences people use every day.
Let's start with feelings and daily expressions. Repeat after me. I am busy right now.
I am free later.
I feel tired.
I feel happy.
I feel stressed today.
I feel relaxed now.
I feel excited.
Now let's use them in conversation.
Hi, Ryan. Are you busy right now?
Yes, I am a little busy at the moment.
No problem. Are you free later?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
How do you feel today?
I feel a bit tired, but I'm okay.
That's good.
This is how people talk in real life, simple and natural.
Now repeat after us. I am busy right now.
I am busy right now.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about likes, dislikes, and hobbies.
I like coffee.
I don't like tea.
I enjoy music.
I like watching movies.
I love reading books.
I enjoy playing games.
Now conversation practice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like watching movies and playing games.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy music a lot.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading books.
That's great.
Now, vocabulary time.
Hobby means something you like to do.
Enjoy means to feel happy doing something.
Free time means time when you are not busy.
Love means you like something very much.
Now Q&A practice. What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I enjoy music.
Do you like games?
Yes, I like games.
Excellent.
Now, shadowing practice.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I enjoy music.
I enjoy music.
I love reading books.
I love reading books.
I play games.
I play games.
Great job.
Now, let's move to social and daily interaction sentences.
Let's go out.
Let's meet later.
Let's grab a coffee.
Let's talk tomorrow.
See you soon.
Take care.
Now, real-life conversation. Do you want to go out today?
Yes, that sounds good.
Where should we go?
Let's grab a coffee.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Perfect. See you soon.
Take care.
Very natural and easy.
Now, let's practice shopping and outside situations.
Where are you going?
I am going to the store.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy some groceries.
Do you need anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Let's continue. Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
How much is this?
It is $10.
That's a bit expensive.
Yes, but it is good quality.
Now repeat after us. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
I am going to the store.
How much is this?
How much is this?
That's expensive.
That's expensive.
Excellent.
Now, vocabulary time.
Store means a place to buy things.
Groceries means food items.
Expensive means something costs a lot of money.
Quality means how good something is.
Now Q&A practice. Where are you going?
I am going to the store.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy some groceries.
Is it expensive?
Yes, it is expensive.
Perfect.
Now, shadowing practice.
I am going to the store.
I am going to the store.
I want to buy groceries.
I want to buy groceries.
It is expensive.
It is expensive.
It is good quality.
It is good quality.
Amazing progress.
Now let's build strong confidence again.
I can speak English fluently.
I can speak English fluently.
I can talk with anyone.
I can talk with anyone.
I feel confident when I speak.
I feel confident when I speak.
I'm getting better every day.
I am getting better every day.
You are doing amazing.
Just keep speaking.
Welcome to the final part. If you are still here, I want to say something important.
Yes, you are serious about learning English, and that already makes you different.
Think about this. Before this video, maybe you felt nervous.
Maybe you were afraid to speak.
But now you have spoken many sentences with us.
You practiced real English, not textbook English, real life English.
And that is a big step.
Now let's do a quick review. Speak with confidence.
I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I feel happy today.
I feel happy today.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Let's meet later.
Let's meet later.
Excellent.
Now let's do one final real-life conversation.
Hi, Ryan. How's your day going?
It's going well. How about you?
Pretty good. I am a bit busy today.
No problem. Are you free later?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
Great. Let's meet and have coffee.
That sounds nice. What time?
Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Perfect. See you soon.
Take care.
This is real English. Simple, natural, confident.
And you can speak like this every day.
Now let's do final shadowing. Speak strongly. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I am not afraid to speak.
I am not afraid to speak.
I feel confident.
I feel confident.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
Very powerful.
Now listen carefully. This is important.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You don't need big words
You just need small sentences.
and daily practice.
Even 10 minutes every day can change your life.
Speak in front of a mirror.
Speak with friends.
Speak alone,
Just don't stay silent.
because silence is the biggest problem.
And speaking is the solution.
One day you will speak without thinking,
One day, English will feel easy.
and that day is not far.
Because you already started.
And starting is the hardest part.
Now let's say some powerful lines together. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I will never give up.
I will never give up.
I am becoming fluent.
I am becoming fluent.
Amazing.
We are really proud of you.
Thank you for learning with easy English flow.
Keep practicing. Keep growing.
And most importantly, keep speaking.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Until then, stay confident.
And keep your English flowing.
Goodbye, everyone.